Hello, today we will guide you through how to find uncleared and unreconciled transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you need to review transactions that have not yet been reconciled, QuickBooks Online makes that process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll open the correct account register and then use the built-in filter to show only the transactions that are still marked as not reconciled. Begin by going to QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company file. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped menu that gives you access to important account and bookkeeping tools. Click Settings, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where QuickBooks stores the list of your bank accounts, credit cards, and other accounts used in your books. This is the best place to start because unreconciled transactions are easiest to find from the specific account register. When the Chart of Accounts opens, locate the account you want to review. In this example, you may see a sample account, but in your own file, choose the bank or credit card account you need. Once you find it, click View Register. Opening the register lets you see the transaction history for that account in a detailed, line-by-line format. Now that you're inside the register, go to the top left area and click Filter. This allows you to narrow the list of transactions so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. Filtering is especially helpful if the register contains a large number of entries. In the filter options, find the Reconcile Status drop-down menu and click it. This menu lets you sort transactions based on whether they've already been reconciled or are still pending review. From that drop-down, select Not Reconciled. This tells QuickBooks to display only the transactions that have not yet been matched during the reconciliation process. These are often the transactions you'll want to investigate if you're checking for uncleared items or preparing for your next reconciliation. After selecting Not Reconciled, click Apply. QuickBooks will refresh the register and show only the matching transactions for that account. At this point, you can review the filtered results and identify any uncleared or unreconciled items more efficiently. If you're working through several accounts, you can repeat the same process in each register. This is a simple but useful way to keep your records accurate and make reconciliations easier to manage.